to you today and share my little small harvest and what I am turning this harvest into. So I was able to harvest another one of my pearl white onions. I got four of the Lasia peppers, and I've got them soaking in salt water. That's what this white stuff is on the Lasia peppers. And I'm still working on the pearl onions that I picked a couple of weeks ago. And I want to show you this huge pepper. Look at this. This is massive. It is huge. But I'm taking all of these ingredients and including this big huge pepper, and I'm making some homemade salsa. Yeah, nothing like homemade salsa from your garden. So let me get a scoop of it so you guys can see it up close. Look how that I have onions in there. I have tomatoes. I'm going to put some of my dehydrated onion tops in there. And I'm going to put some dehydrated jalapeno peppers in there. And I'm going to put a little chili pepper in there, some cilantro in there. Your girl is going to be doing it up. So when I get it all done, I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve this salsa. It's going to be a nice little snack for today. So alright guys, I'm going to cut this pepper up, take the seeds out, save the seeds of course, because this was a massive pepper. I can't remember what pepper this is, but I thought it was a banana pepper, but no, I've never had a banana pepper get this big before. So I'm gonna say it's a pepper. When I go out into the garden and if I have the tag out there, I will include it in the video, or I'm just gonna have to do some research and figure out what kind of pepper is this? I'm telling you, so salsa making, here I come. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Just wanted to come back to you and show you what the completed salsa looks like. Look at all those beautiful colors and all that flavoring in there. And here we go. This is how I present my salsa when I finish making it. Are you guys ready? Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. All that beautiful salsa. And I purchased some of those tortilla chips. And they are the scoop kind. And it is perfect fit for Miss Renee's homemade salsa from ingredients from Renee's garden. Alright guys, I have one more special treat for you. Check this out. You guys all know who this famous person is. It's Isaiah. And of course, he's my official taste tester when I make anything in Renee's kitchen. So, alright Isaiah, go ahead and eat it and tell my people what you think of it.
Yeah. Okay. Tastes like salsa to me, right? Got a little bit of salsa in there. Some more salsa in there. It's not spicy.
Is it a good thumbs up or a thumbs down, Zay?
It's good. Don't eat too much of it. Enough for personal experience. Unless you want your nose to start running.
That's from the pepper champ right here.
Yeah, it kind of builds up on you. Well, you don't want that.
Oh, I am.
Unless you do.
Well, we talking to the Pepper King here. You like it hot,
Yeah,
smoking hot.
It was good. I'm still gonna eat more. I have something behind the camera.
That's why Isaiah, he's the one that'll tell it like it is. All right, Isaiah, close us on out.
Like, subscribe, and if you can do it again, subscribe twice. I'm talking about go to Best Buy, grab a new computer, make a whole new Google account, and then subscribe twice. If you don't, I'm coming for you. I know where you at.
As I said, you know, he's got to be the comedian at the end. But I appreciate any new subscribers I get. You know, you're always welcome here at Renee's Garden. And I will definitely, hey, see you in the next video. All right, peace out. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Check out Zay. Such a ham.